Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your Binance USD from Binance to Trust Wallet. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to make sure you have the two apps installed on your phone, be it the Binance or the Trust Wallet app, and make sure you have access to your Binance, because most times without access you can't make transactions. Alright, so we're on the Binance home screen. We're going to be tapping the arrow to the right of the total balance. Once we tap on the arrow, we're taken to overview, where we move straight to our spot wallet. Our spot wallet is where we have $2.55 available, and we're going to be clicking on once we click on withdraw, we are moving from our Binance USD on Binance to our Binance USD, that's BUSD on Trust Wallet. Alright, so we're going to be selecting BUSD, and that's the crypto we're going to be selecting today. And we're sending via the crypto network, yes. Okay, so the thing is, you'd need your crypto address. And how are we going to get our crypto address? We're going to move straight to Trust Wallet. While opening Trust Wallet, most of the time you have to input your passcode. Once that's done, the process is quite simple. You simply click on receive. You're taken to the token home screen first, and you click on the token you want to exchange. That's the Binance USD on the BEP20 network. You click on receive. Once you've clicked on receive, you click on copy the address, you minimize, and you go back to Binance. Okay, whilst you're at Binance, you're going to be clicking on address. You paste in the address and you select the network. Selecting network could be the Ethereum network, Smart Chain network, Polygon, and whatnot. Even Tron is available. So we click on the BUSD, that's the Smart Chain network, BEP20. The arrival time is 5 minutes. The minimum is about 9 BUSD, but let's just try. Click on max and we'll click on withdrawal. Withdrawal must be at least 9 BUSD. So guys, that's how we transfer our BUSD from Binance to Trust Wallet. It's quite easy, and I really do hope you can reciprocate what I just did here and gain results. As for now, I do not have 9 BUSD, but once you click on withdraw, your cryptocurrency is going to arrive at your wallet. An example is, let me just quickly show you. An example is this transfer I received on the 4th of January, 5 BUSD. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in today. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding how to withdraw your BUSD from Binance to Trust Wallet.